What's up guys, do you know where I am? I'm in Sharjah right now and I'm at an animal and a bird market. And this gentleman right here told me that you could buy any sort of animals over here or any sort of birds. So let's go and check it out. What kind of animals can you find inside?
Inside here, this side.
All the animals?
Yeah, all.
What kind? Like cows,
Cow,
camels?
dog,
Dogs?
and camels, this cow, everything.
Everything,
Yeah.
all sort of.
Yeah.
Okay. So is it open now, the market?
Yeah, open one.
Okay, so I could just go in and buy any sort of animal I like to buy.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So let's get inside and let's check it out, guys. So I'm entering a bird shop, perhaps. Oh. Hi, do you speak English? Do you speak English? हिंदी बात करते हो? अब कौन सा बर्ड बेचते हो यहाँ पे? सिर्फ ये. They're selling some hens as well. Some chicken. Wow. I'm just gonna ask the gentleman how much do they normally charge for these birds. They speak Hindi here. They do not speak English perhaps. So, भाई साहब ये कितने का आता है मुर्गा?
ये 150 का पेयर.
150 पेयर. ओके. और ओके. तो ये नॉर्मली लोग अपने घर पे लेके जाते हैं और या खाने के लिए?
नहीं, कौन सा ये ऐसे पालने के लिए?
पालने के लिए. All right, so this is not for eating, guys. This is basically they use it as a pet. They take it inside and look at that bird over there, right there. He's taking it with a stick and it's just flying around. Oh my God, this is crazy. All right, and the bird is just flying around from here. That's why the door is shut. This is madness, absolute madness. Look at these beautiful birds, guys. It's just cut. It's out for sale. This is pure madness. Beautiful cat right here. Wow, this is crazy. Are you gonna buy some cats?
No, I'm just looking.
Are you just looking? Do you know what price they sell the cat here for? Inside. All right.
What is living?
Nice. Hello. Hi. Do you speak English?
Arabic.
No English. All right. But how much do you sell these cats for?
Yes, 1,300, 1,500.
And in dollars?
No,
Dirham. 1,500 dirham. Oh my God. Okay, thank you very much. You come here to buy some animals?
Yeah.
What are you buying?
No, just I have done something here.
Some bird?
Fish, the
Fish? Fish then. Okay. You don't want to buy any cats? Cheers. Expensive. 1,000 dirhams for a cat. Alright. As you guys saw, it was 1,000 dirhams for a cat. 1,500 dirhams as well. I think that's about $300, I think. I'm not sure. But I think it's about $300 and it's about 250 euros. They have some eagles here as well. Are these eagles? Not sure. Are these eagles? Oh. Wow.
Huh?
Look at that. The majestic bird. Wow. Sorry, what is the price of the eagle? 2,000. And for two? Two of them pair?
2,000.
For one? Okay. All right. So they don't seem very friendly over here when you're recording, but he told me that it's 2,000 dirhams for an eagle, so that's about $600. Guys, this is madness. I mean, these birds are supposed to be free out there in the wild, but they're up here for sale and for human pleasure. I mean, I do not support this at all. Eagles are not supposed to be as pets, you know. And all these cats, I mean, they are not kept well at all. This is crazy. Now I'm going to show you something else which is very interesting. Hello.
Walaikum salam.
Walaikum salam.
Same?
I don't speak Arabic, no.
No, English?
English, yes.
No problem.
Do you sell these goats?
This one Indian and
Indian
Irani.
goat. Indian and Irani.
Hey, two have country.
Two countries.
Two countries. Hey, mix.
Mixed goat.
Hey.
Mixed Indian and Iranian.
Hey,
Indian.
this one Indian.
Indian goat.
This one Irani.
Okay.
Come and see.
Yes, thank you.
This Indian.
Indian goat.
This Irani.
What's his name?
This?
Yeah.
Bablu.
Bablu.
Hey, Bablu.
Bablu. His name is
Ah,
Bablu.
tu orte aure kyun khadi?
Ah, it's okay. Bablu.
Bablu. Hey.
Okay. And how much do you sell these goats for?
This 750. This 1,100. This 1,000. This 800.
800. It's
This-
according to the kilos, or do you
No,
just
no,
sell
no
them?
kilo. Only high.
Okay, and this is for pet or you have to eat it?
No.
It's for eating.
Cutting slaughterhouse. Baldia.
Okay.
Hey.
All right. And what are those?
This chip.
Sheep. Ah, sheep.
This Kashmir.
Kashmir from
Hey,
India.
Indian.
Nice. How many goats do you sell in a day?
One day,
Yeah.
22, 20, 25, 30 like this.
30 goats.
Hey, 30 goat selling.
30 goats.
One
So
day.
you sell a lot of goats.
Hey, good. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah.
Nice.
Hey, very nice.
All right. Hello.
Hey.
All
Hey,
good.
घर में ना पीना ना भर.
What?
Other going Pakistan.
Ah, he's
Hey,
from
next
Pakistan. Next week.
Hey,
Okay.
this going Pakistan.
All right.
All right.
Okay. Thank you so much for showing
No
me
problem.
around.
Sorry. No
Yes.
problem. Okay. Thank you.
Have a
Thank
good day.
you, sir.
Bye bye. See ya. All right. So
TV.
That's
TV.
crazy. That's
This
a-
channel.
no, it's for YouTube.
Hey, YouTube. Okay.
Yeah, say hi to
bye
everyone.
Bye. How are
he's,
you?
he's the famous goat man from Sharjah.
Hey, Sharjah. 23 shop, Sharjah.
All right.
Hey.
The big Indian traveler. The big Indian traveler. All right. See you around. Ciao. So that was the goat seller. What?
Everybody mad.
Really? You want to say hello?
Just for fun.
Just for fun. You want to say hello? Say, what's your name?
How are you?
How are you?
I'm fine. Where did you come from?
I'm living in Finland, but originally from India.
India.
Yes.
You from India?
Yeah, originally from India.
Your Hindi is good?
Hindi is good, yes, of course.
हिंदी आता है आपको?
जरूर आता है.
हमारा इंग्लिश फंस जाता है. हमारा इंग्लिश रुक जाता है.
अच्छा, Pakistani, nice. Indian Pakistani brothers. Yes. YouTube.
Blood is same.
Bloody Samson, yes. All right. Say your name. Say hello to them.
Allah bash. Allah bash.
Allah Bashi.
Ade Malkatu.
Okay, see you. Bye. Yeah, thank you. All right. They just wanted to be on the camera. They seem to be pretty friendly over here outside the bird market. And they were not friendly at all inside the bird market, but here they're like, oh, come to us and let me show you around and stuff. They're selling goats, and now I see some cows over here. They're selling some cows, as you can see. Wow. This is so sad. I mean, it's crazy. Oh, this little cutie pie. It's good. Wow. Hello. They all want some food, I guess. Boats here inside. Wow. Hello. Your shop? How much do you sell the cows for? Sorry? What? Ah, okay. They don't speak so much English here, but you can speak in Hindi over here because a lot of people over here are from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, so they understand Hindi. Hindi is the official language of India. A lot of people speak that. Even some Arabs over here, they are fluent in Hindi. Cute little cow. Wow. I feel so sad when I look at them actually. It's really sad that, you know, it's one of their last days. They're going to be cut and fed into somebody's dinner and lunch. Okay, I think the gentleman over there is busy, so I'm just gonna walk out from here, try to find something else. Horses. Wow, they sell horses here too. That's a big one. Hello. Assalamu alaikum. It's your horse? Hindi? Hindi?
Hindi.
ये आपका घोड़ा है?
हमारा नहीं है, दूसरा आदमी का है।
दूसरा है। घोड़ा और कौन बेचता है यहाँ पे?
घोड़ा सिर्फ यही आदमी है।
Only he sells horse. Okay. So I just asked him whether it's his horse and he's selling it. He said no, it's somebody else's and he's not around right now. Hello. Can I come in?
Yes.
Thank you. You have a lot of goats in here. Wow.
क्या कर रहा है?
हाँ?
क्या बोल रहा है?
आपके पास बहुत बकरियां हैं यहाँ पे। कितने में बेचते हैं आप? 600. कितना किलो? 17-18 kilo. So they sell 600 dirhams of 17-18 kgs of goat. I mean, yeah, that's about $200 for this poor goat. Good, and you? आप किधर का है? पाकिस्तान का, अच्छा। आपका नाम क्या है? Mohammed. Okay, so this gentleman here is from Pakistan. His name is Mohammed. Okay, Bhaijan, thank you very much.
आप तरफ नहीं कर रहा, बस जा रहा है।
हाँ?
किधर गया?
इंडिया का।
इंडिया किधर का?
गोवा।
गोवा। आप इंडिया में जाएगा वीडियो?
हाँ?
हमारा वीडियो इंडिया?
नहीं, world wide. All right, thank you. Yes, I come there. Yes. So this gentleman was asking me where am I from and what am I doing here.
How are you?
Good, and you?
Fine. Good.
What's your name?
Muhammad Khan.
Mohammed Khan. And
What
where are
is
you
your
from?
name in Tam?
Sorry?
What
My name
your
is Prashil.
MashaAllah.
Yes.
Goat?
Goat?
Sheep.
How much?
700 or 600.
706. Why that is 700 and why that is 600?
Yes.
Uh,
Ada 4 brood.
4.
Come here.
Okay. Wow, look at this one. This one is beautiful.
2000.
2000. Why is this 2000?
2000.
Why
One
is-
piece.
Why is this for 2000?
2000.
2000 क्यों? इतना ज़्यादा क्यों?
Ada Nimash.
Huh?
Ada number 1 Ada.
Number 1 goat.
Yeah.
All right. A lot of. And he's just peeing there. And this
600.
little boy. Come here, come. Come. How many goats you sell in one day?
Hey.
How many goats do you sell in one day?
Ada.
Yes.
Yes.
एक दिन में कितना बेचते हो आप?
एक दिन 15.
15 goats.
Yes.
All right. Okay, so he sells 15 goats in a day. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Okay.
My friend, how are you?
Good, and you? All good. Nice. So you saw that beautiful big goat that was 2,000 dirhams. And I eat meat, and looking at this makes me think that I have to go vegetarian or vegan. I mean, it's so sad to see them alive and playing around, and then the meat being served to you at lunch or dinner. It's crazy. All right, and now I'm gonna go enter this place over here. I think that's a butcher place. Hello. Hi. You again? All right. They cut some chickens there, as you can see. We got some live meat over here. Hi, good, and you? Fine. Do you sell chicken here?
Yeah, chicken.
How much do you sell for 1 kilo?
1 kg, 15 dirham one piece.
15 dirhams.
Kg.
Alright.
15, 14 per piece.
What? What chicken?
Local.
Local chicken from Dubai, from Sharjah.
From Sharjah market. Local chicken, 40 dirham, 50 dirham. Big chicken,
He is saying the whole chicken is 40 dirhams.
big chicken.
Big chicken. How big? Can you show me how big chicken? Can I come inside? No. Okay. How big is that? Wow. Okay. All right. You can leave it alone. No problem. I don't need it.
Why? No buy?
No. Thank you. I feel bad when I look at the chicken like that. Yeah. Thank you, guys. All right. So that was it, guys. I mean, it's really sad to see these birds and animals suffer. It's crazy. I don't know if I'm gonna go vegetarian after this, but at least I'm not gonna eat meat for a few days. It's been a crazy experience. So see you guys later. Bye bye.